we are making Kathal Aloo curry. This vegan raw jackfruit curry is meaty, spicy, and delicious. It's a family favorite that I serve with rice. A simple recipe with a special spice mix that you will be able to cook perfectly and win hearts too.
Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon.
Welcome to my kitchen. Peel and cut the raw jackfruit. Make sure that you get medium sized pieces. Boil some water in a pan. Season it with a bit of salt and a tiny bit of haldi powder, turmeric. Add in the jackfruit pieces. Bring it back to the boil. Cover it and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. That looks partially cooked. Discard the water. This recipe uses mustard oil. So it's best to heat the mustard oil till smoking point and then let it cool down slightly. 2 medium sized potatoes, peeled and diced like the jackfruit. Fry this till they are light golden in color. It's time to get them out. Once the jackfruit has cooled down slightly, fry them, shallow fry them with a bit of mustard oil. Let's get them out. 2 to 3 green cardamoms. Break them up. 3 to 4 large pods of garlic and just smash them a bit. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 3/4 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder about half a teaspoon, you could add more or less, turmeric half a teaspoon, garam masala powder half a teaspoon. Now this is my mom's secret, chole masala or chana masala. I'll add in about 2 teaspoons. Tiny bit of water and make a paste. I'm left with about 3 tablespoons of oil from the potatoes and I'll just temper it with a bit of cumin seeds, cinnamon, the green cardamoms, a chopped green chili, you could add in more, and a dried Kashmiri red chili. This is for the color. A cup of sliced onion goes in. Try and use the red onion. And just give it a mix. Season with a bit of salt and cook this till the onions are light brown in color. The onion has got a nice color to it. The crushed garlic, so I'll cook this briefly and add in a teaspoon of grated ginger. I'll cook this till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. Add in the dry spice paste. Cook briefly. And then add in half a cup of fresh tomato paste. along with a large pinch of sugar. Cook on medium heat till the spices, the masalas are cooked and the oil starts separating. That's done. Let's add in the fried potato. Cook the potato with this masala for about 2 minutes. That looks good and smells good too. So now add in the fried jackfruit into the potato masala mix and mix well. Cook for a couple of minutes.
If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments.
Season with salt according to your taste. Mix well. Pour in some hot water. Just enough to cover the veggies. Bring that to a boil. Cover it with a lid and lower the heat to medium and cook for 5 minutes. Let's check. That's cooked. Add in a couple of whole or slit green chilies according to your taste, and then I'll give it 2 more minutes. So I'll cover it and let it cook. That's done. Can't wait to eat it.
Serve it hot with rice or chapati and enjoy.